i35equipment.com. This is Takeuchi TL12 tracked compact loader skid steer. Well, you can come look it over for yourself. It is stock number 2428. We're open by appointment only, so give us a call, get on calendar. Phone number here 405-833-6437. We do ship equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you. Shouldn't be an issue at all. Just go to the wrong website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address over local cars and nationwide broker. Get back to the best hauling rate that comes back to us. As always, welcome you to arrange your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. This machine does have the full cab, factory heat and air conditioning, front and rear work lights, joystick control. That bucket does have 9 teeth on it. Of course, it is a rubber track. Gives you a lot of stability. This machine does have, I don't know if it's that or not, ride control on it, so more stable. No DEF required, so that's a great feature to have. Factory seat in it. This machine was made in Japan, real high quality. It's a lot taller, bigger machine, and real nice. Gives you a real high ride height so you can see where you're working at and everything around you. It does have dual travel speeds, so if you need to get across the pasture or the job site a little quicker. Here it does have reverse arm, which will come on here in a moment. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle equipment, give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service or fill out the form on our website. We'd be happy to share some information about that with you, as we have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment and help you get your machinery sold. There is that bucket. Currently, we do have grapple buckets available, augers, jackhammer, and we do get different attachments in all the time. Just watch our website. Hydraulic fluid looks good. This is that Kubota 3.8 liter diesel motor. Excellent power. Tell how much higher of a machine it is and the size of it just by how high you step up to get into it. And like I said, it's super nice to have when you're working because you can really see all around you. Also helps with the load height when you're loading trucks. All right, to lower your front door, you're just gonna push this lever forward by holding on to the glass handle here. And let me see, I'm gonna put my phone down so I can grab a hold of it. I don't like it to slam, so I like to hold it with 2 hands. I'm going to show you the joystick here. This is for your hydraulics. As I recall, just back here is going to change your 2-speed auxiliary hydraulic information here. It does have the button for the hydraulic clean attached, but it does not have that on it. But it does have the switch already. There is your HVAC controls. See if I can read this. Give me 1 second. I believe it's sitting at 2383 hours. No lights, no issues. If I remember correctly, this one's horn. Throttle also has a foot pedal throttle over here. Different modes if you want power, eco mode. This is your ride control button. Your work lights are here for front and back. Let's see, let's check out this radio together. It does have the heavy duty Jensen radio. Working order. And appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial to you. One last thing. Just going to show you back here. There's your speakers, and one on either side, and HVAC vent. And you can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.